Welcome to Vehicle Insights. Have you ever wondered what all those numbers and letters on your tire mean? They're not just random. These markings contain critical information about your tire's size, type, and performance. Let's break it down. Let's start with the most common marking you'll see, like this. P225/70 or 1691S. The first letter, P, stands for passenger vehicle tire. If you see LT, it means it's for a light truck. Next, 225 is the width of the tire in millimeters, measured from sidewall to sidewall. The 70 is the aspect ratio, or the sidewall height as a percentage of the tire's width. In this case, 70% of 225 millimeters. The R indicates a radial tire, the most common construction type. Finally, 16 is the wheel's diameter in inches, telling you the size of the rim this tire will fit. Next, we have 91S, which gives two key pieces of information. 91 is the load index, or how much weight the tire can safely carry. In this case, 91 means the tire supports up to 615 kilograms. S is the speed rating, showing the maximum speed this tire can handle. An S-rated tire is safe up to 112 miles per hour. Other speed ratings include T for 118 miles per hour, H for 130 miles per hour, and V for 149 miles per hour. You'll also find other useful information on your tire. The DOT code, like this one, DOT05YKYXXLY2923, includes a manufacturing plant and date. Here, the tire was made in the 29th week of 2023. The UTQG ratings tell you about tread wear, traction, and temperature performance. For example, a tread wear of 660 means it lasts 4 times longer than the standard tire. Traction ratings range from AA to C, and temperature resistance is graded from A to C. Tires also come in various types. All-season tires, great for everyday use and mild weather conditions. Winter tires, designed for icy and snowy roads with better grip and flexibility in cold temperatures. Summer tires, ideal for dry and wet roads in warmer climates. Off-road tires, built for rugged terrains with deeper treads and reinforced construction. Always match the tire size and type to your vehicle's specifications. Proper tires ensure safety, performance, and fuel efficiency. And don't forget to regularly check your tire pressure and tread depth for optimal driving conditions. Tires may seem simple, but they're a critical part of your vehicle's performance and safety. Next time you look at those markings, you'll know exactly what they mean. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Vehicle Insights for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest in automotive technology. Don't forget to like and share.